Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the image stabilization on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and now we have to enter the settings which are right here. So let's tap on this icon. And now here we've got whole videos section, and at the very bottom of it we've got video stabilization option, which is right now turned off. But if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see under it, we've got the info that it will correct wobbles and instability whilst recording videos using the rear camera. So actually it will just reduce the shakiness of on the video. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on this switcher, but I highly recommend to leave it turned on because it will make your videos look much better. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the image stabilization in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.